Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In part 2, chapter 4 safety, section 21 to 41. Section 21, fencing of machinery. Dangerous machine parts must be covered so worker don't get hurt. Section 22, work on machinery in motion. Workers should not touch on or repair moving machines unless it is completely safe. Section 23, employment of young persons, children or young workers are not allowed to work on risky machines. Section 24, striking gear devices. Machine must be proper on-off control for quick stopping. Section 25, self-acting machine. Moving machines should not come too close to workers. 26, casing of new machinery must be fully protected before use. Women and children should not work near certain dangerous machines. 28, hoist and lift must be strong, safe and regularly checked. All lifting tools should be tested and maintained properly. In section 30, machines that rotate must have safe speed limit. Remove machineries. Section 31, pressure plant. Equipment under pressure must be handled carefully to avoid accident. Section 32, floor, stairs and access. Working areas must be safe and not slippery. Open spaces should be covered or fenced to prevent falls. Section 33. In 34, excessive weight. Workers should not be asked to lift heavy loads beyond their capacity. Protection of eyes. Eye protection must be given where there is risk of injury. Dangerous fumes and gases. Proper safety steps must be taken to avoid harmful gases. In 36A, use of portable electric light should be used in risky or dark areas. Precaution must be taken to prevent fire and or explosion. In 37. In 38, factory must have fire safety measure and emergency exits. Unsafe machines should be repaired or stopped immediately said in section 39. In 40, safety of machines and machineries. Buildings and machines must always be in safe condition. 40A, maintenance of building. Regular maintenance is required to avoid accidents. In 40B, safety officers. Big factories must appoint safety officers to monitor safety. In last 41 section, power to make rules. Government can create rules to improve safety in factories. This chapter focuses on protecting workers from accident by ensuring machine, buildings and working conditions are safe. See you in part 3. Thank you.